respected parents, teachers, and my dear students. A very good morning to one and all. Today, on this day, I wish you all a very happy National Sports Day and welcome you in this virtual National Sports Day celebration. Today, on 29th August, we are celebrating the National Sports Day to honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh. It is the birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand, who made India proud by his extraordinary sporting skills. This day is also observed to spread awareness on the importance of sports and daily activities in everyone's life. Many sporting legends have been in India, like Major Dhyan Chand, also known as Hockey Wizard and the Magician, P.T. Usha, known as Udan Pari, Sachin Tendulkar, known as Master Blaster. The list of such personalities make us feel proud and also encourage us to be an active participant in all such activities. Students, we all know sports and games play a major role in keeping a person fit and fine. Furthermore, it increases the blood flow in the entire body and this keeps the heart in the best condition. Moreover, the immunity of the body increases by playing outdoor games, and this is the demand of time at present. Active participation in sports and games gives a student a chance to enhance the physical and social skills. It offers a child a change from the monotony of a daily routine. It also keeps the stress and anxiety away. Sports develop a sense of friendliness among the children and develop the team spirit. It helps children to develop mental and physical toughness. Children should actively participate in sports to avoid being stressed and lethargy. We do know many athletes do better academically. Sports also boost our self-esteem. The development from sports goes beyond learning new physical skills. Sports helps children develop better ways to cope up with the highs and lows of life. When we are playing sports, we learn to lose. Playing sports help children learn to control their emotions and channel negative feelings in a positive way. Sports help a person to reduce the anxiety too. Sports can help us perform better in school, relax more and worry less, work better than others and increase our energy. All this help us balance the school and everything else that is going on in our life. Sports have become one of the loved activities in India. Almost everyone indulges in some form of sports, from hockey, cricket, badminton, tennis, to golf, swimming, archery and shooting. Gone are the days when different sports were mainly played for recreational purpose. The India of today plays with a competitive frame of mind and to keep themselves fit and active. To take sports to new heights, the task of governing and promoting them in India have fallen on a number of Indian sports associations. Sports organizations like Indian Olympic Association and Sports Authority of India are working towards raising the standard of Indian sports through various talent promotion programs like National Sports Talent Contest, the specific area programs, the specific project development area and sports hostel scheme. The CBSE is also promoting sports as an essential part of the curriculum. The Fit India movement, the Khelo India, the SBSB launched by KVS help us to promote sport and keep us active. Sports play an important role in the career skills development like teamwork, leadership, team management, competition and sportsman spirit, handling pressure, management and responsibility, commitment towards doing a thing. We do know that sports play an important role in the overall development of a person. So children, it is the demand of time that we indulge in one or the other sports activity. Maybe something you can do at your homes, in your own campuses, in your own roofs, and keep yourself fit, develop your immunity power, and in this pandemic situation, you keep yourself fit, stay safe, stay healthy, be happy by taking part in one or the other activities. Thank you one and all. Once again, a happy National Sports Day to each and every one of you. Thank you.